Hello students, be ready with your textbook. Today I will continue page number 95 onwards. In this page we have given a chart and we have asked fill the chart, complete the multiplication chart given here. Here 1 to 12 numbers horizontally and 1 to 12 vertically also given, and many boxes are blank. We have to fill that boxes. So look at the green boxes in the chart. These show how we can get 12 by multiplying different numbers. First of you see this. In this page some of the instructions are not printed properly, students, so you open the textbook and follow the instructions properly. Now I will read the instruction. 12 equals 4 into 3. So 12 is a multiple of both 4 and 3. 12 is also a multiple of 6 and 2, as well as 12 and 1. We say 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 are factors of 12. Now you look at this chart. Here first 1 into 12. That means the 12th multiple of 1 is 12, and second one, the 6th multiple of 2 is 12, and 4th multiple of 3 is 12, and third multiple of 4 is 12, third multiple of 4, and after that second multiple of 6 is 12, second multiple of 6 is 12, and nowhere is 12 there, the last box is there. 12 into 1 equals also 12. So you see that chart, in which numbers tables the 12 coming. First 12 is coming in the table of multiplication table of 1. After that 2's table. After that 3 table. That means 1 into 12, 12. 2 6 are 12. 3 4s are 12. After that 4 3s are 12. 6 12s are 12. 6 2s are 12. And 12 ones are 12. So from this chart we understood that in these numbers 12 comes as a multiple. So we can say that 1 is a factor of 12, 2 is a factor of 12, 3 is also a factor of 12, 4 is also a factor of 12, 6 is a factor, and 12 itself is also a factor of 12. So these are the factors of 12. That means factor means the number which are coming in which numbers tables. That is the factor. Factors mean the numbers we are multiplied to get the given number. Here 1 into 12 is 12, 2 6 12, so 2 1 6 are factors. So we find the factors of 12. Now here we have asked what are the factors of 10. First of all, before finding the factors of 12, we have to complete this chart. How we can complete this, that I will show you. See how can we complete this chart. See, this is our completed chart. I have completed the all boxes using the tables of 1 2 3, all the up to 12, the multiples of all the numbers I have completed. The last number we got here. Now see, observe this box. See, first table, tables of 1, second table, multiples of 2, third table, multiples of 3, like that up to 12 I have completed. Now here we have asked what are the factors of 10. From this table or from this chart we have to find in which places we have got 10 as the multiple. See the first line in table of 1, that 10 is the 10th multiple of 1. There we have got 10 as the multiple, so 1 is a factor of 10. Another one, second table of 2. 2 5s are 10. So 10 is the 5th multiple of 2. So 2 is also a factor of 10. Now third table there is no 10. Fourth table there is no 10. Fifth table, that is the second multiple of 5. 5 2s are 10. So there also we got the multiple 10. So 5 is a factor of 10. Now sixth table no 10. Seventh table we are not getting 10 as a multiple. 8th also no multiple as 10. 9th also there is no 10. Now see the 10th multiple, table of 10. 10 ones are 10. That means the first multiple of 10 is 10. Now 11 see, no, there is no 10. 12 there is no 10. Now we got, wherever we got the 10, see, now table of 10. So 1 is a factor of 10, 2. 2 is a factor of 10. Next one, fifth. 5 is a table of factor of 10. And the last is 10 is a factor of 10. First table. So these are the factors of 10. That I will show you. Factors of 12, factors of 10 also I will show you. And after that, see, the factors we have selected from this chart. See, these are the factors of 12. 1 12s are 12. So 1 is a factor of 12. Sorry, 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 is also a factor of 12. 3 4s are 12. 3 is also a factor of 12. Now the same table is repeating. 3 4 and 4 3 are same. But we have to write it, but not to consider double time. 4 3s are 12. After that 2 6 are 12. Once we have taken. So this also we not need to take again, or we not to repeat that. But I have showed here, because it is coming in the sixth table also. So 6 2s are 12. 12 1s are 12. So these three repeating numbers we are cancelling, and the first time only we are taking 1. What are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are the factors of 12. This we have found out from this chart or from this table. Now see the multiples, factors of 10. Factors of 10 are 1 into 10, 10. So 1 is a factor, 2 5s are 10, 5 2s are 10. 2 5 and 5 2 are same only, repeating. So we don't want to take again. So what are the factors of 10? 1, 2, 5 and 10. These are the factors of 10. Now here we have asked, what are the factors of 36? Factors of 36 are, using the tables I have written here. After that I will show in the chart. So all numbers are, 1 is a factor of all numbers. So 1 into 36 is 36. So 1 is a factor of 36. Next one, it is coming in the table of 3. 3 12s are 36. 4 9s are 36. 6 6 are 36. Again 9 4s are 36. 12 3s are 36. These three are again repeating. See, after this 9 4, 12 3 are repeating. 6 6 once only asked. So now see where we are getting in the table. This chart I will show. As 1 is a factor of every number, 1 is a factor of 36 also. But here we have not taken up to 36. The table we have not taken up to 36. That's why I have not able to show it. Now see the table of 3. The 12th multiple of 3 is 36. Understand? 12th multiple of 3 is 36. After that, 4th. Take the table of 4. 4 9s are 36. See that? 4 9s are 36. So it is coming in the table of 4 also. So 4 is a factor of 36. Next one, see the 6. 6 table. In 4, after that 5th table there is no 36. 6th table 36. 6 are 36. So 6 is also a factor of 36. After that there is no 36 in 7th table. 8th table also no 36. Next one is 9. See, 9 4s are 36. But we already found that 4 9s are 36. 4 9 36 and 9 4 36 are same. So there is no need to repeat that. But I have written it there in the tables for showing. So 9 4s are 36. So 9 is a factor of 36. Last 12 3s are 36. That also we have already written. 3 12s are 36. So there is also no need to repeat that. So we can say that what are the factors of 36? The factors of 36 are 1, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12 and 36. These are the factors of 36. Here we have asked one more question here. Find out all the factors of 36 from the multiplication chart. See, in this chart also I have showed a table of 1 36 is there, table of 3, table of 4. So how can you write this answer? So first question's answer, you write all the factors of 36, and the second question is find out all the factors of 36 from the multiplication table. So you write this way: 1 into 36 equals 36 1 into 36 equals 36. 3 into 12, 36. 4, 9, 36. 6, 6 are 36. This much only write. There is no need to write the 9, 4 and 12, 3 again. So in this way you can complete that. Now the next question we have asked is, what is the biggest number for you? Can find the factors from this chart. Students, this question is in the page number 96. What is the biggest number for which you can find the factors from this chart? Now we have to again see that chart. See, in this chart, which is the biggest number we got in this last column? 144. So you have to write the answer. What is the biggest number for this? You can find the factor from this chart is 144. Now the last question regarding this topic is, what can you do for your numbers bigger than that? That means if you are getting any number more than this 144, that means a number greater than this 144, how can you do the, or how can you find the factors? How can we do this? Very simple, students. Here we have taken table of up to 12. If you want to find the factors of any bigger number, we have to just extend the table up to more numbers. Suppose up to 13, 14, 15, 16, 20, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there is only one way, is that to find the factors of any bigger number, we have to just enlarge or extend the chart or extend this multiplication table. Then we can easily find out the factors from this table. Now we have to move to the next topic in this page, common factors. Now let's see what is given in this heading. Write the factors of 25 in the red circle and the factors of 35 in the blue circle. Here we have given two circles. One is red and the another one is blue. In the red circle, we have to write the factors of 25, and in the blue circle, factors of 35. Here the factors we have to find in which numbers tables this 25 coming. So that I have found and written here 25 coming in the table of 1, table of 5. That means 1 into 25, 25, 5 into 5, 5 5s are 25, and 25 into 1 is 25. So in these three numbers table, 25 coming. So factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. Now find the factors of 35. Factors of 35 are, it's coming in the table of 1, 1 into 35, 35, 5 into 7, 35. That means 7 5s are 35, and it is coming in the table of 7 also. So that is repeating 5 7 and 7 5. And next it's coming in the table of 35. 35 ones are 35. First multiple of 35. So the factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7 and 35. Now here we have asked to write the factors of 25 in the blue circle. What are the factors of 25? 25, 1, 5 and 25. And factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7 and 35. But from these factors, we found that two numbers are common for both 25 and 35. That common factors we have to write in the purple part. See, which are the factors you have written in the common purple part of both circles. These are the common factors of 25 and 35. That common two factors we got, 1 and 5, that we written in the purple part. So these numbers we can say the common factors of 25 and 35. So what are the common factors of 25 and 35? 1 and 5. These two factors are both the common factor for 25 and 35. Now here we have given another task. Now write the factors of 40 in the red circle and 60 in the blue circle. Here again one blue circle and one red circle given. In the red circle we have to write the factors of 40, and in blue circle factors of 60 we have to write. Before that, first of all we have to find the factors of 40. What are the factors of 40? Take all the tables which comes the 40 as the multiple. For in the table of 1, 1 into 40, 40. In the table of 2, 2 into 20, 40. In the table of 4, 4 tens are 40. Table of 5, 8 5s are 40, so 5 is a factor of 40. In the table of 8, 8 5s are 40. Table of 10, 10 4s are 40. 20. Table of 20, 20 into 2, 40. 40 into 1, 40. So all these are the factors of 40. 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. Now see the factors of 60. Factors of 60 are all the tables which comes the 60 are the factors of 60. First is 1. 1 is the factor of 60. 2 is also a factor of 60. 2 into 30 equals 60. Next is 4 into 15, 60. So 4 is a factor. 5 into 12 is 60. So 5 is a factor of 60. 6 tens are 60 or 6. So 6 is a factor of 60. 10 6 are 60. 10 is a factor. 12 5s are 60. 12 is also a factor. 15 into 4 is so 60. So 15 is a factor of 60. 13 2s are 60. So 30 is a factor. And 60 ones are 60. So 60 also a factor. So these are the factors of 30 and 60. Now here we have asked which are the factors that what are the factors written in the common purple part of the circle. Purple part. We have to write the common factors. So that we have to find the common factors. Which are the common factors of 40 and 60? 1, 2, 4, 5, next 10 and 20. These are the common factors of 40 and 60. These numbers we have to write in the purple part. So these numbers will be common to red circle and common to this blue circle. And the remaining numbers, remaining factors we have to write in the only in the red circle. What are the remaining numbers? 8 and 40. 8 and 40 are only factor for 40 and the separate factors or the different factors of 60 are 6, 12, 15, 30 and 60. These are only for the 60s factors. Now we have asked which is the biggest common factor of 40 and 60. Students, the purple part you observe 1 to 20. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Which number is the biggest number? 20 is the biggest number. So we can write biggest factor of 40 and 60 is 20. Biggest factor means 20. Like that, which is the biggest factor of 25 and 35? Here in the purple part we written 1 and 5. So what is the biggest common factor of 25 and 35? 5. So you write HCF, highest common factor. The highest common or the biggest asking means HCF of 25 and 35. Here HCF of 40 and 60. HCF of 25 and 35 is 5. That means the biggest common factor. And HCF of 40 and 60 is 20. Biggest common factor. Now, in this way, by finding the common factors or finding the factors and finding the common factors, we can find the HCF of any two numbers or more numbers. Now the remaining portion I will take in the next class.